Welcome to my channel Ghar Apna Apna. Every home is beautiful. I hope my beautiful family is taking good care of themselves. There's something magical about slow Sunday mornings when time feels softer and the world moves just a little gentler. No rush for school, colleges, or work, just a calm, relaxed mind. On Sundays, I spend a little extra time in the park, sitting on my usual bench, soaking in nature and its soothing sounds. It brings me a sense of peace and quiet comfort. The park feels alive in its own way. The flowers and green leaves, which struggle to survive the heat of summer afternoons, seems cheerful and vibrant in the coolness of summer mornings. ये सब नज़ारे इतनी सुकून देते हैं दिमाग को कि बस हर चीज़ हर गम भूल जाता. Dry leaves whispering under every step, and the grass which is cool, fresh and grounding. The both are contrast. I like to walk barefoot just to feel connected to the earth, soil, to the moment and to myself. No rush, no noise, just being. And somehow, morning like these always bring back memories. Summer reminds me of my mom's homemade mango chutneys and pickles when the kitchen used to be filled with the tangy aroma of raw mangoes. So today I am making my favorite raw mango instant chutney, the simplest one. No complicated steps, just fresh raw mango, a few basic ingredients available in the kitchen and full of taste. Be ensured that while you're grating the raw mango, you remove this part and shouldn't be added. इससे आपकी चटनी या अचार कड़वी हो सकती है और जल्दी खराब भी हो जाएंगी. For this, I have taken 3 medium-sized raw mangoes and grated them finely using a grater. You shouldn't be grinding them, just grate it. The kitchen is already filled with their aroma and my taste buds are eagerly waiting to savor the chutney. I have used 100 grams of garlic cloves, ground it into a fine paste. Garlic paste really enhances the flavor of the chutney, so don't skimp on it. Add a good amount is key, otherwise the taste won't be as rich and flavorful. Along with the garlic paste, I have taken 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, that is jeera, fenugreek, that is rye powder, and a pinch of methi seeds powder, finely roasted, and then salt to taste. You can adjust the amount of chili powder and salt according to your taste and preferred level of spiciness. To the right side, I have taken the teaspoon, and to the left side, it is a tablespoon. Now, after grating 3 mangoes, put them in a big bowl so that you can have a good mix. So first thing I am doing here is I am adding a salt. I have added 2 tablespoons of salt in it. Then I am adding chili powder. I have added, for now I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Later, if I feel the tanginess or the spiciness is not enough, I may add more. Then comes the taste enhancer, that is garlic paste. Make sure to add the entire amount of garlic paste we prepared into the chutney. Don't leave anything behind. And next add 2 teaspoons of roasted powder made from cumin seeds, that is zira, mustard seeds, rye, and fenugreek, pinch of fenugreek, that is methi. Ensure while roasting, be careful not to burn the spices, as that can make the chutney taste bitter and spoil its flavor. And now give it a good mix until all the spices are well combined with grated raw mango. Now heat a kadai or a frying pan and pour a cup of oil, preferably sunflower oil or groundnut oil, for tempering. Do not use mustard oil. Once the oil is boiled and heat, add 10 to 12 peeled garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and some dried chilies. Let them fry for a while, making sure they don't burn. Just cook until the garlic turns light golden. Immediately switch off the stove. Now allow the tempering to cool slightly before adding it to the chutney. Avoid pouring it while it's too hot, as it can burn the spices and spoil the taste. Now mix the tempered oil and spices into the chutney thoroughly. And at this point, you can adjust the salt and chili powder taste according to your taste. Now the chutney is ready. You can enjoy it immediately with ghee rice, chapati, or upma. It tastes absolutely delicious. Some recipes don't need perfection. They just need feeling, and this one is of course one of it. Now pour the chutney into a mason jar and store it in the fridge. It will keep for more than a month. The longer it sits, the more the flavors develop and deepen. So do try this simple recipe and let me know in the comments box how much you liked it. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.